Traveling solo as a woman is incredibly liberating. It allows you to discover yourself and the world on your own terms. However, safety is essential to fully enjoy this experience. By taking some precautions and following these tips, you can have amazing and safe adventures. Let's dive into practical advice to empower your solo travels. Before you embark on your journey, dedicate time to thorough research. Delve into the cultural norms, local laws, and customs of your chosen destination. Familiarize yourself with the safest neighborhoods and areas to avoid, especially at night. Consider any necessary visas or vaccinations and inform yourself about common scams or tourist traps. Knowledge is power, and understanding your destination will significantly enhance your safety. Websites, travel forums, and guidebooks are invaluable resources for gathering information. Connect with other female travelers who have explored similar destinations for first-hand insights and recommendations. Packing strategically can contribute to your well-being while on the road. Opt for a comfortable and secure day pack to carry your valuables, keeping them close at hand. A money belt worn discreetly beneath your clothing provides an extra layer of security for cash and important documents. Carry a portable door alarm for added peace of mind, especially when staying in budget accommodations. A whistle can be a simple yet effective tool to deter potential threats and attract attention if needed. Packing these items will enhance your safety and provide peace of mind throughout your travels. Navigating new environments, transportation and accommodation safety. When choosing transportation, opt for reputable and well-lit options, especially at night. If using ride-sharing services, verify the driver's identity matches the app information before getting in. When traveling by taxi, ensure it's licensed and consider sharing a ride with a trusted fellow traveler if possible. When selecting accommodation, prioritize safety features. Look for places with 24-hour reception, secure entrances, and well-lit surroundings. Read reviews from other solo female travelers to gain insights into the safety practices and overall environment of potential accommodations. Blending in and staying under the radar. While embracing the local culture is part of the travel experience, it's also wise to avoid drawing unnecessary attention to yourself as a solo traveler. Dress modestly and respectfully, keeping in mind the local customs. Avoid displaying expensive jewelry or electronics that might make you a target for theft. Project an air of confidence when navigating unfamiliar environments. Walk with purpose and maintain awareness of your surroundings. If you feel uncomfortable in a particular area or situation, trust your instincts and remove yourself. Staying connected, keeping loved ones in the loop. Maintaining regular contact with family or friends is crucial when traveling solo. Share your itinerary, including accommodation details and planned excursions, with someone you trust back home. Establish check-in times or use location-sharing apps to provide updates on your whereabouts. Before venturing out for the day, inform someone at your accommodation about your intended destination and estimated return time. This simple step can be invaluable in case of unexpected delays or emergencies. Embrace the journey, confidence, and empowerment. Solo travel is an incredibly empowering experience. By taking sensible precautions and following these safety tips, you can embrace the freedom and adventure it offers. Remember, preparation is key, and trusting your instincts is paramount. Don't let fear hold you back from exploring the world on your terms. Embrace the unknown, step outside your comfort zone, and create unforgettable memories. The world is waiting to be discovered, one solo adventure at a time.